Can you hear me?
Now I can hear you.
I'm good. How are you, Fox? My name is Kay. I identify as Black. I am disabled. I am queer. I am here. Thank you. I love the affirmation.
My name is Mridul Wadhwa. I am a trans woman of color.
I am Sarah, and I am the wife of a beautiful woman.
I'm a brown, queer, trans, masculine, non-binary person.
You know, people overlook you or you just get attacks of violence on you.
And there's still a long way to go for us to have more rights.
So progress means for me to live in a diverse and inclusive world. The recognition of the same-sex unions is a matter of human rights.
Just the right to family, I think, would be the easiest thing.
It means that I can love who I want to love, express myself how I need to be expressed.
What everyone can do every day, stop judging.
Speak up, talk about inequality, talk about what equality looks like.
You may not fully understand LGBTQ people, but if you can just find it in your heart to listen and to educate yourself.
This is gonna be a lifelong process so we can all advance together.
Try to be a door instead of a wall.
If we don't all come together and make progress together, we all don't win.
This piece is making an effort to remind us that we are all in this together.
It's about assembly a new and better world.